So hey, what's up? Today we're gonna cook some two of my favorite dishes, luncheon meat and then eggs. I mean, I was like, sure, both of them are my favorite dish. Why not mix both of them? So over here we have the minced garlic and then diced luncheon meat, eggs, salt, and rice. And then you're gonna want to set that at 4. And let's wait for the oil to heat up. And then I'll put the egg. Voila! Gordon Ramsay. Sliced and diced. Looks organic. Another second pair of oil. There. And put the minced garlic. They look like cheese, but nope, that's not cheese yet. Now, what you want to do is casually stir the minced garlic until it's brown. You can see it's starting to get brown. Once it's brown, you want to put the luncheon meat. Remember, this is not cheese. This is garlic. Now put all the luncheon meat there. And mix them. And then wait until it's warm and hot. Now that it's brown, you can finally put the egg with it. Yum. Yummy. Oishii. Put the rice. Put the rice in. All of them. Yeah, all of them. Yeah, as you're stirring with salt. That's yummy salt. Now, when it's ready, put it in a plate. Yeah. Now that we're done here, you can finally eat it. Just give it a few samples. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye, and that's it. Goodbye.